Hey guys, welcome to page 195 and 196 of 4th grade math today, okay? Our lesson today is called Divisibility Rules. So you could be like, let's go, what is divisibility? Okay, look, divisibility is like this. Let's say that I have this number here, 14, and I want to know if this number, you can divide it by 2. There are trucos, you guys, there are rules to know how to know whether or not 14 can be divided by 2, or 23 can be divided by 2, or 10 can be divided by 2, right? Do you want to know the rule? Divisible, look at what it says. Look at don't look at number 1. Skip number 1. Look at number 2. Place a check in the blank if the number is divisible by 2. Well, how do you know? So you put a check in the blank. If it's divisible by 2, well, what does divisible mean? It means, can you divide it by 2? So raise your hand. Do you think 14 can be divided by 2? Raise your hand. Yes, no, maybe. Yes. You want to know how? You know? Look at this number 14. Look at 4. Is 4 an even number or an odd number? Look at what your even numbers are. Your even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, okay? That 4, is it even or odd? It's even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. If it's even, you can divide it by 2. What about 23? Is 3 even? No, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's odd, so nope, you can't divide it by 2. What about 10? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, you can. You can divide that by 2. And we know 14 divided by 2 is 7. 10 divided by 2 is 5, right? Okay. So look at the other ones. Look at 57. It's on your paper. Do you put a check or no? No. 7 is not an even number. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? What about 29? No, 9 isn't even. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? What about 18? Yes, it is. 8 is even, okay? So look at number 3. Place a check in the blank if the number is divisible by 3. That means you can divide it by 3. Well, what's the truco here? The truco here is if you sumar the dígitos, is that number divisible by 3? Por ejemplo, look at 43. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. Okay, so can you divide 7 by 3? Nope. So you can't divide this by 3 either. But look at 27. Add your digits together. 2 plus 7 is what, Scarlett? 2 plus 7 is 9, right? And 9 divided by 3 is possible, so 27 divided by 3 is possible. Look at 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. Can you divide 6 by 3, Keanu? Yes, 6 entre 3 es igual a 2. So you can divide 15 by 3 as well. Okay? Look at your next one, 36. You got to add it up. 3 plus 6 is 9. Can you divide 9 by 3? Look at the next one, 81. 8 plus 1 is 9. Can you divide 9 by 9? But look at the next one, 4 plus 7 is 11. Can you divide 11 by 3? No, right? Okay. Look at number 4. Is it divisible by 4? So, what's the truco here? Okay, well, the truco here is you have to look at the last 2 digits. So, circle your last 2 digits. Okay, they have to be 0 or they have to be divisible by 4. They have to be 0 or they have to be divisible by 4. Oops, and I did the wrong numbers here, didn't I? So I was like, none of those numbers are divisible by 4, so that is totally weird. Okay, 132, 600, or 531. Okay, so look right here. Let's circle our last 2 digits. Okay, 32. Can you divide 32 by 4? Fernanda? Yes, you can. So this is divisible by 4. Okay, look at this one, Keanu. It's 0, 0. So that is, yes, divisible by 4. Because remember, The last two digits have to be divisible by 4 or 0, 0. What about 31? Can you do 31 divided by 4, Salma? Nope, so not divisible. We're not going to put anything there. Look at the next one. 718. Well, 18, is it divisible by 4, Scarlett? Nope. What about 408? Is 8 divisible by 4? Yes, it is. Look at 200. Yes, it is, because it's double zeros. Okay, then the next one we're doing is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 is a piece of cake. Something is divisible by 5. You can divide it by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. Does this end in 0 or 5? Nope. So not divisible. Does this end in 0 or 5? Yes. So you know it's divisible by 5. Look at the next one, 75. Does it end in 5? Yes. Look at the next one. No. Okay, and so on and so on. Okay, look at number 6 and number 7. Now we have divisible by 9 and divisible by 10. And we're going to keep practicing these, okay? We'll review them tomorrow. Divisible by 10 is the easiest one in creation. Okay, divisible by 9 is like this. Same as 3's. If you add the digits together and they can be divided by 9, they are divisible by 9, okay? So 81, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 divided by 9 is possible, so it's divisible. 126, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 divided by 9 is possible, so yes. 3 plus 9 is 12. Can you do 12 divided by 9, Scarlett? No, you can't. So that one is not divisible, okay? Look at the next one. Divisible by 10. Does it end in 0? If it ends in 0, it is divisible by 10. But if it does not end in 0, it is not divisible by 10. And that's all you have to do to figure it out. Crazy, right? I know. Okay? The rest of it, all you have to do today is number 8, number 9, number 10. Number 8, number 9, and number 10. And you can do number 10, letter A and letter B by yourself. But don't do number 11. Okay? If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye, guys.